Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you a full introduction to this app called XRecorder. So some of you have been asking me what do I use to record my screen, so I'll be able to show illustration on the screen. So this is the app that you are going to use to record your screen. So the final part, I'm going to show you what you really need to know before you start using this app. Okay, so first step, you have to go to your Play Store. So let's go to my Play Store. Let me show you the icon of this app. So go to your Play Store. If you are using Android, go to your Play Store. At the search button here, so you are just going to search for XRecorder. Okay, XRecorder. So it's going to open up like this. So this is the icon of this app. Okay, you are seeing the icon now. This is the icon of this app. So, and in your own, since I have it installed in my phone, you are seeing open here, but in your own you are going to see install there. So you are going to tap on it, so you will install it. When you are done installing it, this is what you are going to see. Okay, all right, so this is what you are going to see in this app. So let me quickly walk you through this app. So at the bottom here, okay, so let's start from the up. So at this up, you can see this is the delete. Anything you delete will enter into that as your as your trash, and you can recover it later. So this is the add, you can add that. Okay, all right, so the next thing here is this icon. If I tap on this icon, is going to, let me tap on that to show you. If I tap on that icon, it's going to show my face while I'm recording. Okay, so if you want to show your face while you are recording your screen, you can tap on that icon and your face is going to appear there. So I'm going to switch that off. Then the second one here is the camera, if you want to capture your face, but I'm not going to tap on that now. Then the third one here is the illustration. To show the illustration on your screen, you can see this thing showing on my screen. You can see it, this thing showing on my screen. That's the illustration that I'm talking about. Let me show you this thing now. Okay, I don't know if you are going to be able to see this. You are seeing this brush. You see this brush showing on my screen. That is the illustration brush. If you tap on that illustration brush, it's going to bring out this thing that is showing on the screen now. So here you can select the type of illustration you need. You can see this first one that is selected. If I paint, it will draw something. Okay, but we are not going to need that. Okay, at some point you might need that. You can see the rectangle here. If I draw a rectangle, you can see the effect. Then here you can see the circle. If you select each of these things that you select is going to change the color to orange on this place. Then if you draw, it's going to draw a circle around anything you want to do. Then the other one here is the arrow icon. You can see it shows arrow. So if you select any of them that you want to make use up, okay, then this other one, this color that you see here, is going to show you if you want to change the color. So let's say you are recording an app that has a green interface. You can use a green color to point out something on that interface. You are going to use either pink, or you use black or red to show illustration on that interface. So that's the color there. If you want to change color of your recording, your illustration icons. Okay, so that's that. So the next thing is this. After recording, you can use this app to edit your video, but I don't use this app to edit my video. I make use of CapCut to edit my video. Then we have the edit here. So if I tap on that, if I should tap on that, you can see other things that we can do here. So actually this app is a free app, but it also has its premium version. Okay, so you can use it to edit your video, edit photo, merge video and photo. You can video compress, but this one is for those that are subscribed to their premium version, which is very cheap. If you want to subscribe, you can do that, because they are doing a lot. So this is file manager. This is other apps that this app owns. Okay, so that's that. So we can go to setting. So pay attention, go to setting. Okay, if you go to setting, this is what you are going to see. You are going to see audio setting. Okay, in case you are using a mic with your phone, you can do this setting here. Then video quality, here we have video quality, video setting. So in this place we have if I should tap on the video setting, okay, I cannot modify that because I'm recording. But if you tap on that, you will see 720, which is the quality. You can see 480, you can see 1080 and all that. Then the orientation, this is the orientation. My own is set to auto. Okay, the orientation, let's say if I rotate my screen, is going to follow that, record it in a landscape mode. Then this is your save location. You can select a save location where your file will be saved after recording. This is the video segment. Okay, video segment side, but that's not what we are going to talk about now. Okay, all right, so those are the few things I think you need to know about this app. So guys, give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video.